In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell videos online with Wix. So let's dive right in and get started on turning your passion into profit. First things first, head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so. Once you're in, click on Edit Site to open the website where you plan to sell your products. If you're creating a store for the first time, ensure that the Wix Stores app is installed. This is essential for managing your digital products, much like it is for physical ones. Next, navigate to Store Pages to set up your product sections. Click on the product page and then select Manage Products. This is your control room where everything related to your products will be organized. From here, go to your dashboard and select Store Products. You'll want to hit that plus New Product button to start listing your new video. Now, because we're dealing with digital content, make sure to select a digital product. Enter a catchy and descriptive name for your video, something like Masterclass Digital Photography. It's important to add a thorough description highlighting essential details like video length, format, and any usage rights. Don't forget to upload an attractive thumbnail or preview image. This will be the first thing potential buyers see. Let's move on to uploading your video file. Ensure you use a supported format, with MP4 being a popular choice. For larger files, consider using cloud hosting platforms such as Google Drive, Vimeo, or even Wix Media itself. Be sure to enable automatic delivery in your settings. This ensures that once someone makes a purchase, they can immediately access the content without any delay. Price setting is the next crucial step. Determine a price that reflects the value you're providing. You can also offer different license types like personal use or commercial rights, and make sure to clarify what each license allows the customer to do. Remember to configure your payment methods by going to Dashboard, then Settings, and finally, Accept Payments. Connecting payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or accepting credit card payments ensures a smooth transaction process for your customers. It's always a good idea to test the checkout process yourself just to be sure everything runs smoothly. After you're satisfied that everything is in place, it's time to publish your video product. Make sure it's visible on your store page. Feel free to customize the Add to Cart button and other layout aspects to match your site's aesthetic. Now you're ready to promote your videos. Share your Wix store link across social media, email campaigns, or even platforms like YouTube. Utilize SEO-friendly descriptions and tags to enhance visibility. Offering bundles, subscriptions, or limited-time discounts can also attract more buyers. Lastly, a few tips. Always use high-quality video files, provide clear licensing instructions, consider subscription models, and keep track of your sales with Wix Analytics to improve your marketing tactics. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to selling videos online with Wix. Best of luck with your sales, and I hope this tutorial sets you on the path to success.